In the last video, we added some LDtk entities to spawn our player and allow us to exit the next level. Let's begin the final touches. Clean up squares. If you haven't already, delete the white squares we made as references for the exit and player spawn prefabs. Under prefabs, open exit. Drill down to the square and delete it with Command Delete. Repeat for player spawn. Camera polish. Let's add some polish to our camera. Simple chase camera. Move the main camera to the clown nose prefab to make the camera chase the player. From the project pane, drag a clown nose prefab into the hierarchy. Drag the main camera into clown nose. A green plus shows up telling us that our prefab has overrides that aren't applied yet. In hierarchy, select clown nose. In inspector, click overrides, apply all. In hierarchy, delete clown nose. Once the main camera is gone from the scene, the game panel will show a black background with a message, "No cameras rendering." This is normal. Change the default camera background color. In project prefabs, double-click the clown nose prefab to open it. In hierarchy, select main camera. In inspector, under camera, set background to black. Fix tile gaps. You may have noticed some thin gaps between the tiles as we move through the level. Let's fix that. Move level to 0, 0, 0. In hierarchy, select level _ 0. In inspector, under transform, change position to 0, 0, 0. Add a pixel perfect camera to the main camera component. In project, open the clown nose prefab. In hierarchy, select main camera. In inspector, press Command-Shift-A to add component. Select pixel perfect camera. Set assets pixels per unit to 112, an arbitrary number divisible by 8 that seems to get my camera just right. Set reference resolution to 1920 by 1080.